Welcome back, foodies. Today, we have something incredibly exciting in store for you. We're diving into the world of Japanese cuisine to uncover the hidden secrets of yakiniku. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds and discover some unknown facts about this mouth-watering grilled meat experience. Let's go! Yakiniku, which translates to grilled meat, is a popular Japanese dining style that originated from Korean barbecue. But did you know that yakiniku has its own unique characteristics that set it apart? Let's uncover some of these lesser-known facts. One fascinating aspect of yakiniku is that it's all about interactive dining. Unlike traditional restaurants, yakiniku establishments provide guests with their very own grill at the table. You become the chef, grilling a variety of meat cuts to perfection, just the way you like it. Yakiniku utilizes a wide range of meat cuts, each with its own distinctive flavors and textures. From premium cuts like Wagyu beef to succulent pork and tender chicken, yakiniku offers a carnivore's dream. It's all about quality and variety. Yakiniku isn't just about the meat, it's the flavors that take it to another level. You'll find an array of marinades and dipping sauces to enhance the taste. These range from traditional soy-based sauces to savory miso or tangy citrus blends. It's all about finding the perfect combination to elevate your grilled meat experience. In Japanese culture, dining etiquette holds great significance, and yakiniku is no exception. Did you know there's a proper way to grill and eat yakiniku? For example, you should always flip the meat using tongs and not your chopsticks, and it's considered polite to share the communal grill and help each other with cooking. It's all about fostering togetherness and appreciation for the food. While meat takes center stage in yakiniku, there's more to the experience. Many yakiniku restaurants offer a variety of side dishes and accompaniments, such as kimchi, pickled vegetables, and steamed rice. These add a burst of flavors and textures to complement the grilled meat, making it a complete and satisfying meal. Yakiniku has undergone an evolution over the years. Traditional yakiniku mainly featured beef, but now you'll find a fusion of flavors, with seafood, vegetables, and even cheese making their way onto the grill. It's a testament to the versatility and adaptability of this beloved cuisine. Yakiniku is not just about the food, it's a social gathering. Whether with friends, family, or colleagues, yakiniku restaurants offer a vibrant and lively atmosphere where people come together to bond, celebrate, and enjoy the communal experience of grilling and sharing delicious food. Well, there you have it, folks. Yakiniku, the Japanese grilled meat experience, holds many unknown facts that make it truly special. From the interactive dining experience to the importance of etiquette and the diverse flavors, yakiniku is a culinary adventure worth exploring. We hope you enjoyed this journey into the world of yakiniku and discovered some exciting facts along the way. If you haven't tried it yet, we highly recommend finding a yakiniku restaurant near you and indulging in this sensational dining experience. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with more exciting food adventures. Until next time, happy grilling!